Is it? What?
What's in your head?
Let's see.
I already said it. Hi everyone, welcome to DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia. My name is Joanna
I'm Sotaro.
and we work here at SoftBank Telecom Europe. In today's video, we are going to talk about Line official account. So we are going to explain what the Line official account is. We are going to mention few of the most important Line official account features. And then at the end, we are going to explain how can you set it up.
So before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel, DMFA, and also like this video. This video is packed with useful information, so you should definitely keep watching.
Let's go! So what is Line official account? So we've mentioned before that Line it started off as a messenger app, kind of like WhatsApp, but actually in Japan, Line is much more than that.
Line official accounts are used by businesses to connect with their customers. With an official account, you can send general information, sales and marketing activities, as well as special promotions to users who are friends with your channel. Your Line friends will get notified just like when they get a message from their social network.
So basically, apart from it being like an app where you can communicate with your friends and family, businesses can set up their own profiles and then directly communicate with users, and Line has over 90 million monthly active users. So
That's a lot.
by using Line, you can reach a very wide range of Japanese society. There are a few different types of the Line official account. So we've got the unverified account, which has a gray badge. And this is the basic account you will get when you finish the initial setup. They're only searchable in-app via a Line official account ID. So if you have an unverified account, it might be a little difficult for users to look you up. Then the second type is...
So we've got verified, which is blue badge. Okay, so once you have a Line account set up, you can request for verification. So once you get your account verified, you can do CPF campaigns.
And CPF means
CPF means
cost per friend, which is a very unique kind of criteria just for Line, but we will explain what that is in a bit. There is also a premium ID you can purchase. So I think at the moment it is 1,200 yen per year. A premium ID allows companies to set up their own like company name or brand name as ID, and it is easier for users to look them up.
nice.
Businesses can get started immediately and open a Line official account for free, and then upgrade their plan according to their needs, which provides flexibility for every type of budget and schedule.
So now let's talk about the most important or most recognizable features for the Line official account. Line official account is available for both very large companies or small businesses. Any brand can open a Line account. And at the moment, there's over 3 million Line official accounts in Japan, which is quite a lot. But again, no wonder, because by advertising and utilizing your Line account, you can reach up to 90 million people in Japan. So this is a very powerful way to get into direct conversation with your customers. Let's go over some of the most notable features. Let's start with the possibility of creating a community. There's a feature of becoming friends. So you can either become friends with your real friends, but you also can become friends with a business or a store or a brand that you like. And it's kind of like following somebody or subscribing to somebody, but online users are called friends. So businesses can use messaging or other communication features to create this direct line of communication and build community.
Yeah, exactly. You can also attract your potential customers, like website or maybe even physical stores.
Let's talk more about messaging that you can do on Line official account. So businesses can either broadcast. Broadcast means you can send a message to all of your friends.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Or you can, within your friends, you can select the target audience. So for example, let's say male customers between 20s and 30s, and you can also send very targeted messages just to reach this demographic. If you want to increase your messages visibility, you should use images or videos that you can also incorporate. And there's also an option to run A/B testing to see which ads or which messages are performing best and to help you with the market research. You can see that Line is an excellent way of direct communication with customers. As we can see over here, almost 70% of users read messages that are sent from a business directly to their Line account. So it is quite a high, I think, open rate. We receive newsletters, but sometimes I receive a newsletter, I don't even bother to open it. But as you can see by this data over here, almost 70% of users do read and are interested in messages that are sent from business accounts.
That's a lot. Businesses can attract customers by sending coupons, also discounts. Line has a feature for it.
A lot of businesses run Line exclusive promotions that only if you are friends of the business, only then you can use this discount or promotion. So a lot of businesses is utilizing this feature as well.
So we also talk about loyalty cards.
Japan is a loyalty card country.
Oh, I've got so many.
So there is if you're using PayPay, you can collect points over there. There's a lot of loyalty schemes available, and since it is so loved by customers in Japan,
Yeah.
there's also a feature to have your Line kind of stamp cards or Line loyalty cards that businesses can set up on their Line official account. And for example, when you go to Starbucks, right here we have a Starbucks app,
Yeah.
and you can collect every time you buy coffee, you can get a stamp. But actually in Japan, Starbucks and Line merged, and you don't need a separate app for Starbucks in Japan. You can just use your Line app, which everybody has anyways, and you can use it to collect your Starbucks points as well. And one of the most recognizable Line features is the fact that you can share cute stickers with your friends and family.
That's so good.
And also companies can develop their own original stickers. It's called business stickers, and they can feature their logo or their mascot or something unique, a unique character to appeal to users. So stickers can act like advertisements for brands, because people, if the characters are cute or the stickers are really, really cute, people can purchase them and they can send them to each other, which is already increasing brand awareness by just users or friends using them. Offering stickers as an incentive. So let's say you buy something, and then if you buy something, you receive Line stickers. Can also be an incentive for people to actually shop at your store or purchase your products.
Yeah, because that's true to me. It's
I
when I was
didn't know
back
that
in
about you.
I was back in junior high school,
Mhm.
high school. Literally, I was to my mates, I was
Oh, I've got 20 stickers.
Really? I remember when I lived in Japan, and all of my Japanese friends that I made, they were using Line, so I also was using Line, and I was fascinated by stickers. I was this is amazing, because I think at that time, we couldn't send cute stickers on Messenger or something like this, but it was available online, and I loved it. And last but definitely not least, we have to talk about Line ads. And as we mentioned before, online you can run the CPF campaigns, which is cost per friend. And how does it work? So CPF campaigns are aimed to increase the number of the official account followers / friends. And by increasing the number of friends, you will then be able to contact even more people. You cannot run Line ads until you have the official account. And the official account is going to be linked with your advertising account. You can advertise from both verified and unverified account, but in order to set up a verified account, you need a Japanese address. So your business has to be registered in Japan. Okay, now we move on to the third point we wanted to talk about today, which is how to open a Line official account.
So all the businesses have to go through a strict pre-approval background check. This process is gonna be in Japanese, but us, DMFA, can assist you with it. So you don't have to talk to someone from Line in Japanese. You don't have to worry about that. So
We can handle.
leave it to us.
Leave it to us. We can handle all of the paperwork and support you to open your brand's Line official account and Line ads account as well.
Exactly.
So once your Line official account is set up, you can then proceed to open the Line ads account. Since Line Japan only offers overseas advertisers prepaid accounts using a Japanese credit card, it may be a little bit difficult to initially set it up if you don't have a Japanese credit card. In that case, we can also help. We can open an ads account on your behalf and then invoice you for any ad spend.
In order to open Line official account, you will need a Japanese address. You can then apply for a verified account. You can upgrade your plan and purchase the premium ID for 1,200 Japanese yen. In case you do not have a Japanese address, you can still open an unverified account. You can't do cost per friends ads campaigns.
The next step is to check if you have the Japanese phone number. So if you have a Japanese phone number, that's great. You can upgrade your plan and get the premium ID. However, if you don't have a Japanese phone number, don't worry. We can provide our clients with a Japanese phone number and help you upgrade your account and get the premium ID for you. But please be aware that once you open a Line official account, you will not be able to change the phone number to a Japanese phone number if you don't have one at the moment. So before opening the account, please make sure to contact us and we will be able to set it up for you properly right from the start. We also, I'm going to put it on the screen to show you a few slides. We also have this very handy Line starter guide that we can provide to you for free. So also please make sure if you're interested in opening a Line official account or running Line ads, please make sure to get in touch and we will send it to you over via email. I'm going to make sure to leave the contact form in the comment section down below. So check it out and get in touch.
Get in touch.
And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you could learn something new about Line and how to open the Japanese Line official account. And yeah, Sotaro, thank you so much for joining me today again.
My pleasure.
And yeah, let's finish it off.
So as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFL channel and give a thumbs up.
Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again very, very soon in the next video. Bye!